Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm giving a detailed report why Google AdSense may disable your account and the way forward to go to if you want them to reinstate your account, to bring it back by registering an appeal form. Be my host and get informed. So the reason that AdSense may Google AdSense may disable your account is Google AdSense is there to protect its ecosystem between the advertisers, the publishers, and the users. So they always have to protect their selfish interest to ensure that the advertisers who normally pay them get value of their money. And the way they get value of their money is that you, as the publisher, the content that you have created, you have viewers, legit viewers, who you have organic traffic that is coming to view your content, and through that maybe 1% maybe they might get the ads that is able to click with the interest of the viewers who will be interested in maybe in purchasing a goods, in making an order, or maybe subscribing to maybe Netflix or something, and ads from Google AdSense. So the reason that they give is, why is my AdSense account disabled? Google treats invalid click very seriously, analyzing all clicks and impressions to determine whether they fit a partner of views that might be artificially driving up an advertiser's cost or publisher's earnings. So it is possible that you might meet that you have followers who are coming to your channel and maybe they're just driving artificial traffic. Google has a monetary system that they're able to analyze all clicks and impressions to determine whether they fit a partner or views that might be artificially drive up an advertiser's cost or publisher's earnings. So Google AdSense, in case you have invalid clicks, or maybe you're doing in click fraud, you will find that Google will come and reinstate your account. After the account, Google may disable your account in case you have invalid clicks. So they say if you maintain a good faith that the invalid traffic was not due to actions or negligible of you, those whom are responsible, you may appeal for invalid activity appeal form. So this says that sometimes you might meet that maybe you have friends who came and were able to click. They kept clicking your ads, or maybe you had paid a third party who was to you generate traffic to your site, but they went and they were conducting invalid activities to drive of activity that do not matches the advertiser's interest. Because the intent of Google AdSense is to ensure that those advertisers have paid for some content, and they match with the corresponding interested maybe less 1% of the audience who come to view the publisher's content. So basically, your account can be reinstated. You have to fill an invalid activity appeal form. So I have filled one, and this is the invalid traffic appeal form. So once the Google will be able to view this form, and once they view it, they'll be able to decide whether I'm eligible to reinstall my AdSense account. So they say this form can be used to appeal to appeal account disablement decision made by Google Ads traffic quality team. So the first thing that you need to enter is you need to enter your name. Also, you need to enter your publisher's code. The publisher's code, you'll get it from your Google AdSense account. Then another thing that you need to do is you need to contact an email to write your contact email address. Then you'll be able to fill example of URL apps where you have placed your ads. Your ads, you'll be able to show where your ads are. Maybe for my case, why they disabled the account, it was apps that had posted on Windows app. Then there is another store that is called App Store. I had put some of my content in that site, and maybe that is where I tend to think they were generating invalid. They were doing an invalid activity, and I feel surely it is not my negligence on my side, and that is why I'm filing a case to Google AdSense so that they may be able to reinstall my account. They also need you put an URL where you intend to place the ads should be active. Now I need to put my ads in my YouTube channel, lifestyle tutorials. So it tells me, have you ever purchased traffic to your site? Yes, I have. It tells me, how do users get your site? Mobile app or YouTube channel? Do you promote your content? I'm telling them I'm a YouTuber, lifestyle tutorials. I have not been promoting my content using any commercial third party. Still, I have been sharing on social media platforms such as Twitter, YouTube community section, optimizing my content to rank higher in search optimization engine, and Facebook, as YouTube encourages that. YouTube encourages that, so they are trying to query if you are still using the third parties. But I will come here and report. I said that I was creating apps and I was posting them in Windows Store and App Store and Google Play Store. Then I happened to meet this store called App Store. I don't know. I cannot really know what they were doing. Then I posted some of my apps there. On placing them there, I think they were doing something curious that Google detected, and they were able to kick me out. They were able to disable my account. It tells me what are some. They say, when you receive an appeal, we will do our best to inform you quickly, and we will proceed with appropriate action as necessary. Note that there is no guarantee that your account may be reinstated. What are some of the writing successful? What are some tips for writing a successful invalid traffic appeal? Ensure that the confirm if either of the reasons are you confirm either of the reasons was why your account was disabled. Maybe do any of these reasons apply to you or your content? Did your friends click your ads too many times? So the next step that we should do is, have your site, money, app, or YouTube ever violated AdSense ad manager program? I can see no, my YouTube channel has not violated AdSense policy. Initially, I was posting apps for advertisement in AdMob, and I had hired a third party who brought traffic to my app. Afterwards, I suspected the third party I had hired was using illegal way to bring traffic to my apps. So the third party that I had hired is from this is my AdMob account where I was posting my apps. I can see the apps that I was posting. I can see some really exist there. They were some I had posted in Android. Others are posted in a site called apps something. That is where I posted my. There's even one that I had posted in iOS. Those were the apps that I was posting, and I was able to monetize through this account. So what they require to know is that if you ever violated AdSense ad manager program, so they also tell me what are the reasons of invalid activity of your site, mobile app, YouTube. Please provide detailed information about all specific reasons that you believe are relevant to your case. So another thing is, once when back in campus in 2026, when I was in 2016, after I created an app and posted it in the Play Store, my colleagues' mate became overwhelmed by it. While I was in campus in 2015, I developed an app. I posted it in the Google Play Store and Windows Play Store. My campus friends, who were also my high school mates, appreciated my invention from curiosity and installed my app. They would click the ads to promote me because I presented my project on the campus technology day. This was the main reason I think that conflicted the ad mob rules, as my campus friends kept clicking ads as a way to pay royalty, and they had all installed the Android and Windows in their phone. What changes will you implement to help you improve traffic quality on your side mobile app on your channel? You need to devise a way that what will you do to ensure that you have a behavioral change. And as we can see, one reason that I'm doing to ensure that I have a behavior change is that now I'm not in that community where people will bring invalid clicks to my YouTube channel. It tells me that my account, this question, my account was disabled from being related to disabled account. Can you tell me more about the relationship? It tells me that please understand, we take precaution with all publishers to protect our protection detection system. The Google will not give you answer why the disabled account been related to another one. But say when you come to say my account was disabled and my appeal was denied, can I rejoin the problem using a new account? The publishers disabled for invalid traffic are not allowed any further to participate in AdSense. For this reason, the account we may not open new accounts for them. Why are some these are some tips of writing an appeal to Google AdSense. Ensure that the reason that for mine is that it falls between in here. Did friends or click on your ads many times? Yes, surely I was a campus student and friends kept clicking my account. Can my account be reinstalled after being disabled for invalid clicks? Yes, if you can maintain a good faith of that the traffic was due to action of negligence, or was not due to the action of your negligence, those to whom they are responsible, you may appeal an invalid activity form. So this is the invalid activity form that I'm describing. I told them that the behavior change to prevent invalid clicks from happening is that I'm now I'm now a YouTuber, and my friends all graduated, so there will be no incidents of them clicking to my ads unnecessarily. Again, I'm adapting a behavior change. Never again to join social media platforms that promote each other by clicking ads, view each other's YouTube videos, subscribing to each other. So ensure you take a precaution. Don't enter in those Facebook groups that you'll find that people are subscribing for each other. So the basic tutorial today was about why Google AdSense, why your Google AdSense has been disabled for invalid traffic, and the way to reinstate it back after being disabled for invalid traffic. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. Lifestyle tutorials.